Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Competition is increasing in the motor insurance industry with a digital platform which makes it easier for policyholders to switch insurer. The platform was officially launched earlier this month by Marathon Insurance Brokers. TVJ's Andrew Ladley reports.
The system allows motorists to price match policies from all the insurance companies in Jamaica, and the entire process can be done online. Marketing manager at Marathon Insurance Broker Romeo Young says the system has been in the developmental stage for the past 5 years, but now that the system is operational, he says all the relevant authorities have given the nod of approval.
The system was developed by software developers from all over the world. You name it, India, Canada, the US, Ukraine, Russia. And certainly we had to get regulatory approval from the FSC and also the buy-in from the insurers, which we're proud to say that we have achieved. We also have received approval from the tax authority and also from the police. So it is 100% go, 100% legit.
He says the platform will digitize the entire motor vehicle insurance process.
So the system allows you to pay either in full or it gives you up to 9 months to pay your insurance policies. And then finally what it does is that it generates a cover note for you. A cover note which you can take to the tax office or show to the police officers. It has all been authorized by the necessary authorities.
He also explained that the system is a result of market research which showed that consumers needed more options.
The average motor insurance policyholder could save up to 60% or more on their car insurance, and this platform offers the client the opportunity to benefit from those savings.
For now, the system can only be used to open a new policy, but Mr. Young says existing policyholders will be able to renew their policies on the platform before the end of this month. The system, which is the first of its kind in Jamaica, is compatible with the government's eGov platform and represents an investment of over $100 million. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
In currency trading today, the Jamaican dollar continued to revalue. The US dollar ended the day selling for $139.89. The Canadian dollar closed at $105.26. The pound is going for $180.23, while the euro is being sold for $153.72. The JSE index lost 3,497 points today, while the junior market index declined by 67 points. Among the winners, Cygnus Credit Investments, Wisynco Group, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Fontana, and Kingston Properties. On the losing side, we had Everything Fresh, Mayberry Investments, Proven Investments US dollar shares, Express Catering, and Stanley Motor. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.